Hi there. I'd just like to give you a quick refresher on these long multiplications because I don't know if you can remember how to do them, but if we have a quick look at them now, it'll hopefully jog a memory and then it'll stay in your head so that you've still got it for when you go to the high school. Okay, so here was the first one you were asked to do, 2,617 times 6. So remember, same as addition and subtraction, we start with the units, so we will do 7 sixes. And you line them up in the columns. The answer is 42. Okay, so we've done the 7 times 6s. Next we're going to do this 1, but obviously that is in the tens column. So we're not going to have anything in the units. We need to remember to put the 0 down. So then we do 1 times 6 is 6. Okay, we've done our one that's in the tens. Now we're going to move to the hundreds column. We've got a 6, but because it's a hundreds, there'll be nothing in the units, there'll be nothing in the tens. So we're going to do 6 times 6, which is 36. Notice that I'm taking care to line up my columns. Okay, we've done our hundreds, so now we're going to move on to our thousands. Because it's a thousands number, there will be no units, there will be no tens, and there will be no hundreds. 2 times 6 is 12. So I have finished doing all my multiplications. So now what I need to do is add up. I multiplied my units, I multiplied my tens, I multiplied my hundreds, and I multiplied my thousands. So now I need to add up the results of all those different multiplications. So 2, 4 and 6 is 10, 6 and 1 is 7, 3 and 2 is 5, and 1. If I had a ruler, I would carefully draw a line there, but I don't have one. So this is the answer to 2,617 times 6. Okay? Sorry, holding the phone a bit squinty, it's very hard to hold the phone straight at the same time as show you what I'm doing. Okay, so let's try this one. It's a bit more straightforward. 750 times 6. We start with the units. 0 times 6 is 0. We move on to the tens. So if we're doing a tens, we know there's not going to be a units answer. 5 times 6 is 30. Be careful to line up your columns. Okay, so we've done the units, we've done the tens, we're moving on to the hundreds. So if it's a hundreds multiplication, I'm not going to have any units, I'm not going to have any tens. 7 times 6 is 42. Okay, so I've done all my multiplications now, so I'm going to add up the answers to the separate parts. So the answer to 750 times 6 is 4,500. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Right, last one I want to refresh your mind on is doing a subtraction. We're doing 3,070 take away 1,695. So we start with the units. 0 take away 5, obviously I can't do that, so what we do is we borrow. We're going to borrow from the tens column, we're going to turn the 7 into a 6, and we're going to move that 10 across here. So now we can do 10 take away 5, which gives us 5. Now we're going to do our tens column, 6 take away 9. I can't do that, so I need to borrow, but I've got a problem. There's nothing there, which means I'm going to jump across to here to my thousands. I'm going to take that one to a 2 and put that there. I've now got 10 in my hundreds column. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that to a 9, move my spare 1 across. Now I can do 16 take away 9, which is 7. 9 take away 6 is 3. 2 take away 1 is 1. Okay, I hope that helps you. Bye for now.